Welcome to DIY Saturday. For today's project, I will be making an easy nightlight. To construct your own, you need a Sunbeam LED nightlight with an on and off switch, Christmas ornament, galaxy colored markers such as purple, violet, pink, blue, or magenta, cotton balls, rubbing alcohol, a white pen or star stickers, and glue. Remove the cover from the nightlight. Make sure that the ornament you're using will fit perfectly. Use markers and color the ornament randomly with the galaxy colored markers. Use a cotton ball dipped in rubbing alcohol to smudge the marker lines on the ornament. Make sure the cotton ball is damp and not wet. Use a white pen to draw on stars on the outside of the ornament and allow it to dry. Use your glue and attach the ornament to the nightlight base. Plug in the lamp and enjoy the amazing galaxy nightlight colors. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.